Looking to buy church management software and considering CapterraConnect? Here are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. First, let's talk about ease of use. CapterraConnect offers a user-friendly interface, but when compared to competitors like Breeze Church, it can feel a bit more complex, especially for users who are not tech-savvy. While Breeze is known for its simple navigation, CapterraConnect provides more customization options, which could be a plus or a downside depending on your needs. Next, the pricing structure. CapterraConnect has a subscription-based model, which some might find affordable at first glance, but keep in mind that there are additional costs for certain features. Compared to ChurchTrack, which offers a more transparent pricing system with fewer hidden fees, CapterraConnect can sometimes feel a bit pricier as you scale up. The third thing to note is the range of features. CapterraConnect offers solid options like event management, volunteer coordination, and donation tracking. However, it might fall short in some areas, especially when it comes to communication tools. Competitors like Planning Center have stronger communication features, allowing you to send messages and manage communications with ease. Next, customer support. CapterraConnect's support is generally reliable, but it does have some drawbacks. Response times can be slower compared to other church management software like ACS Technologies, which has a reputation for quicker customer service. For small churches looking for fast answers, this might be an issue. Now, let's look at the mobile experience. CapterraConnect does offer a mobile app, but it's not as intuitive as some competitors. For instance, Elvanto has a much smoother and more polished mobile app, which can be a big deal if your team relies on mobile devices for managing church operations on the go. The sixth thing is integration. CapterraConnect integrates with popular software like QuickBooks and MailChimp, which is great. But if you need more third-party integrations, you might want to look at ChurchSuite, which offers a wider range of integration options. When it comes to reporting, CapterraConnect delivers standard reports, but it's a bit limited compared to some competitors. For example, Fellowship One provides more advanced reporting tools, which could be a deal breaker if your church needs in-depth analytics and insights. Next, the setup process. CapterraConnect is fairly easy to get started with, but it does require some time to fully configure. If you're looking for a faster hands-off setup, you might want to consider Tithe.li, which offers quicker onboarding and setup support. The ninth thing is customization. CapterraConnect offers a decent level of customization, but when compared to other options like Rock RMS, which allows for deeper customizations, it can feel a bit limiting, especially if your church has specific needs. Now let's talk about scalability. CapterraConnect can work for churches of all sizes, but as you grow, you might find some features lacking in flexibility. Software like Realm might be a better option if you're anticipating rapid growth, as it offers more advanced features for larger churches. Next thing, the community. CapterraConnect has a decent user base, but it's not as large as competitors like Planning Center or Breeze Church. That means fewer online resources, forums, and user-driven guides to help you along the way. This could be a disadvantage if you prefer a vibrant community to help solve problems. The 11th point is the level of training and resources available. While CapterraConnect does offer basic tutorials, they're not as comprehensive as those from other platforms. For example, Church Teams offers a more robust learning library with video tutorials and webinars to help churches get the most out of the software. Finally, let's talk about security. CapterraConnect offers strong data protection and complies with industry standards. However, some competitors like Rock RMS have an edge here, as they provide more advanced security features for sensitive church data. All things considered, CapterraConnect is a good option for churches that need a solid all-in-one church management software with decent features and integrations. But if you're looking for something that offers a more streamlined experience, faster support, and better customization, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.